And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 193. Let me show you how you can convert shapes into other shapes. So there is in effect convert to shape, and you've got 3 shapes that you can turn it into. So for example, we can turn this shape into an ellipse, a rectangle, or a rounded rectangle. And this is possible with every shape. So let me create a triangle, works the same way. Let me explain the menu. We have absolute and relative sizes. Absolute sizes start at the center, and then you can build it just by adding width and height in absolute values. But the relative, it starts at the bounding box. So if you go to 0, you're going to start right where this bluish rectangle is for every shape, and then you can add width and height on top of it. For a rounded rectangle, you also get a corner radius, so this determines the roundness of the corners. And when you confirm, you can still see the original shape, but if you change the colors, it's going to be the converted shape that gets recolored. If you want to get your original shape back, use the appearance menu, and here you can find the FX right there. Just delete it, and then you get the original shape back. And this is how you can use to convert to shape in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.